Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about this formula in here. We have 1 plus tan a squared equals to secant of a squared. So we apply this formula for this one in here, and we have secant of s plus b over 4 square. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan of s plus b over 4. So if we do first the derivative, we have du equal to secant of s plus b over 4 ds. So this one we change for u square. This one we change for du. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin t. Du we have cosine t dt. So we put sin t gone here. Cosine t dt gone here. Next, 1 minus sin t square, we have cosine t square. This is about trigonometric identity. We simplify by cosine t. And this one we have secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c, that is about the constant. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arc sine of u. So we put this one to replace for t, and this one too. About u, that is about this one. And this is the answer for the question.